The AHNR Air Duster with a high-speed brushless motor delivers impressively strong airflow that easily dislodges dust from keyboards, computer cases, and tight crevices. 3 selectable power levels let you dial in gentle airflow for delicate electronics or maximum force for stubborn debris, making it more versatile than disposable cans. A generous rechargeable battery with fast Type-C charging and a clear battery indicator means you can tackle long cleaning sessions without worrying about sudden shutdowns. Multiple interchangeable nozzles and precision brushes turn this into a flexible tool for cleaning cars, home appliances, and outdoor gear, as well as inflating camping items or fanning small fires. Because it is built from durable materials and produces a dry, consistent airstream, it offers a reusable and device-safe alternative to single-use compressed air cans that also reduces waste. Its compact size, lightweight, and comfortable grip make it easy to carry around the house or pack in a bag, so it is always ready for quick cleanups wherever you need it.